Saturday morning, it's 8 degrees. Time check, 8 a.m. in the morning, Saturday. We are here. I'm here at work, so we're still working Saturday. Sorry sa hindi ako napag-upload ng Thursday and Friday. Trabaho tayo ng hanggang gabi. So ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon ng time. So thank you sa mga subscriber. Pag-subscribe, so please do subscribe on my channel. So thank you everyone. Follow up lang sa last vlog natin. May nanalo na. So hindi naman exact amount na ako, close sa amount na napagbentahan ng kalakal. So here's the clip. This is the exact amount ng pagpapalit namin from recycled to dollars. Yeah. So ang amount niya is tumataginting na $20.90. $20.90. Kung sinong nakahula, magaling. Congrats sa inyo, mapupunta to. Hindi man kailangan yung saktong hula, so kahit na yung closer dito sa amount na to, sa kanya mapupunta yun. Congratulations. Drivers wanted must have a driver's license, truck driver's license. Gordy, 15 minutes break. Na to is just for update lang dito sa trabaho namin. I'm working Monday to Friday, and then the following weeks Monday to Saturday. So we are full time na rito sa trabaho. I've been working here about 8 years now. This year, like January, naging team leader ako. Team leader di sa work, so may obligasyon din, siyempre yun na, pagka team leader ka, so sometimes you have to decide sa mga order kung kailangan mo i-short or i-override yung mga order. So sometimes may kasabihan nga, di ba, great power comes with a great responsibility. Update lang di sa work namin. So, lunch break namin ngayon. Ito yung area kung saan yung smoking area namin. This is the smoking area. Yun, finally we're home. So, nag-work tayo ng 6 AM to 2 PM. Medyo maganda naman yung nangyari sa trabaho. At least, ito paano, hindi tayo inabot ng medyo late ng hapon. Update lang yun. Itong vlog na to, it's just updated for sa winner nung last na vlog ko. Tsaka update na rin sa work natin. Yun lang. So, laging tatandaan, huwag kakalimutan, great power comes with a great responsibility. Okay? So, hanggang dito na sa susunod na vlog ulit. Peace out.